Ever wondered who's steering the financial ship at Patriot Bank? In a world where economic currents are constantly shifting, the role of a chief financial officer, or CFO, becomes absolutely pivotal. They're not just bean counters, they're strategic thinkers, the financial architects who help guide a company's growth and stability. Think about it. A bank, especially one like Patriot Bank, deals with immense amounts of money, intricate regulations, and the trust of countless customers. Ensuring its financial health and navigating the complexities of the market requires a steady hand and a brilliant financial mind at the helm. That's where the CFO comes in. But who exactly holds this crucial position at Patriot Bank? It's a question that might pique the interest of investors, customers, or even those simply curious about the inner workings of the financial world. After all, understanding the leadership of a financial institution can offer valuable insights into its direction and overall strength. Before we dive into the specific name, let's appreciate the multifaceted responsibilities that fall under the CFO's purview. They oversee everything from financial planning and reporting to managing risk, securing funding, and making strategic financial decisions that can shape the entire organization's future. They work closely with the CEO and other top executives, providing critical financial insights that inform major business strategies. Imagine the weight of those decisions. A wrong move could have significant repercussions, while a well-calculated financial strategy can propel the bank towards greater success and stability for its stakeholders. The CFO is the guardian of the company's financial well-being, ensuring compliance, transparency, and sustainable growth. Now, Patriot Bank, like any financial institution, operates within a dynamic and often challenging economic landscape. Factors like interest rate fluctuations, regulatory changes, and market volatility can significantly impact its performance. The CFO plays a crucial role in navigating these uncertainties, developing strategies to mitigate risks, and identifying opportunities for growth. They are also instrumental in communicating the bank's financial performance to the outside world, to investors through quarterly earnings reports, to regulators ensuring compliance, and even to the public, building trust and confidence. This requires not only a deep understanding of finance but also exceptional communication skills. Consider the recent economic trends. We've seen shifts in inflation, interest rates, and global markets. In such an environment, a CFO needs to be agile, adaptable, and possess a keen understanding of macroeconomic factors and their potential impact on the bank's operations and profitability. They need to be able to forecast future trends, develop contingency plans, and make informed decisions that safeguard the bank's financial health. Furthermore, the increasing importance of technology in the financial sector adds another layer of complexity to the CFO's role. They need to understand how technological advancements, such as digital banking platforms and data analytics, can be leveraged to improve efficiency, enhance customer experience, and drive growth. They also need to be mindful of cybersecurity risks and ensure the protection of the bank's financial data. So, as you can see, the CFO of Patriot Bank isn't just a title, it represents a critical leadership role with far-reaching responsibilities. This individual plays a vital part in the bank's success, its ability to serve its customers, and its contribution to the broader economy. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. While specific leadership roles within companies can sometimes change, as of my last update, the Chief Financial Officer of Patriot Bank is Gregory L. Quinn. Gregory L. Quinn brings a wealth of experience to this crucial position. His background likely includes years of working in finance, potentially within the banking sector itself. Individuals in CFO roles typically have a strong understanding of accounting principles, financial analysis, risk management, and corporate finance. They often hold advanced degrees in finance or business administration and possess professional certifications. While publicly available information about Mr. Quinn's specific career trajectory at Patriot Bank and his prior experience might require deeper research on financial news outlets and Patriot Bank's investor relations page, the fact that he holds the CFO position signifies a high level of expertise and leadership within the financial domain. The appointment of a CFO is a significant decision for any company, especially a bank. It reflects the leadership's confidence in that individual's ability to manage the financial affairs of the organization effectively. Investors often pay close attention to who holds this role, as it can be an indicator of the company's financial stability and future prospects. Understanding who the CFO is can also be relevant for customers. While they might not directly interact with the CFO, knowing that experienced and capable financial leadership is in place can instill confidence in the bank's management and its ability to safeguard their deposits and provide reliable financial services. Furthermore, for individuals considering a career in finance or aspiring to leadership roles within the banking industry, looking at the backgrounds and experiences of CFOs like Gregory L. Quinn can provide valuable insights into the skills and qualifications needed to reach such positions. It's important to remember that the information provided here is based on publicly available knowledge as of my last update. For the most current and detailed information about Patriot Bank's leadership team, including the CFO, it's always best to consult the official Patriot Bank website, particularly the Investor Relations section and recent financial news reports. These sources will provide the most up-to-date details on the company's executive management. In conclusion, the role of the CFO at Patriot Bank is undeniably vital. Gregory L. Quinn, as the current CFO, is responsible for overseeing the bank's financial health, navigating the complexities of the financial market, and contributing to the overall strategic direction of the institution. His leadership in this critical position plays a significant role in shaping Patriot Bank's present and future success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.